Hi, I'm Nick Moore, Marketing Manager for Kramer Electronics UK Limited. The KW-11 is Kramer's first HDMI over wireless transmitter and receiver set. It's ideal for installations where you can't use a cable, for example in listed historic buildings. Of course, the KW-11 isn't just for use in listed or historic buildings. It can be used anywhere where it's inconvenient to run a cable. In a second or two, we're going to show you a demonstration where the KW-11 is plugged into a camera and live footage is being broadcast. We'll also show you a situation where a Blu-ray player is transmitting to a display. Here we're demonstrating the KW-11 TNR operating between a Blu-ray player and this screen here. For the purposes of this demonstration, the transmitter and receiver are only 30 centimetres, 1 foot apart, but they do work up to 12 metres, that's nearly 40 foot away from each other, and they deliver perfect HD quality video. To show one of the possible uses of the KW-11, the transmitter is actually plugged into the back of the camera that's recording me now and is sending the image to the KW-11 receiver that's here in front of me. As you can see from the two green lights on the front of the unit, the video is being received. Hi Nick. Of course, in the live events environment, it's really important that the images on display should be in sync with the live action. To demonstrate the remarkable lack of latency, I'm going to click my fingers and you can see that that image changes instantaneously on the screen. The KW-11 has a range of 12 metres with full HDMI quality and no latency. It's very simple to install. You just make sure that you have cables connected to the source and to the display device, plug in power to the receiver and transmitter set, and the KW-11 will start transmitting the HDMI image. It's recommended to use the KW-11 receiver in its special cradle. The KW-11 transmitter plugs directly into the HDMI source. Power is provided to the KW-11T via this connector here, either from a USB port with a supplied cable or from the mains plug top, which is also supplied. Here you can see the power socket on the receiver, the HDMI output, and a mini USB socket which is for the use of Kramer service personnel only. KW-11 has indicator lights for video and connected, both on the transmitter and on the receiver, and they indicate when the devices are connected to a source and a display, and also when video is detected transferring between the transmitter and the receiver. So here we have the KW-11, Kramer's first wireless transmitter and receiver set.